Shouldn't we have like drinks with us?
Do you want a drink?
Can we have like
clean out
isn't it supposed to be very like Sex in the City? Like, remember they
Pretty much Claudette is just saying she would like a beverage.
I'm just
Is
A closet clean out Cosmo.
a closet clean out Cosmo. What's up, you guys? So it's official. I'm moving into my closet, but before adding a bunch of things that I know I'm never gonna wear, I got my girls here today to do an official closet clean out. Okay, so we've got drinks requested by Claudette. She was like, wait a second.
Yes.
We need drinks for this process. Okay, I know that you guys know that I am a huge fan of Sex and the City, and in the first movie, when Carrie was moving out of her apartment and moving into the apartment that her and Big had purchased,
That's right.
she did something very similar to this,
Yes.
except for they probably had fancier cards, but you know, we here at Chateau Houghton, we like to be green and reuse our things. So you know,
What's the word? Repurpose.
we're repurposing
That's good.
the cardboard, recycling, and so we've got here keep,
Not too sure. Or
Toss it,
we've
baby.
got options, people. Okay,
Yeah.
so Mariah, these are your cords. Mom, you've got yours.
Cords.
Your cords.
Your
Gosh,
cords.
what is that accent? What?
So we got the cords.
So we got the cords, and now
yes.
we're gonna begin elimination.
Okay.
Here we go.
Is it weird that I had such strong feelings when you lifted that dress up?
What
too.
kind of strong ones?
Hideous.
Oh, drop it like it's hot.
It's
Don't
never
even.
been worn.
Good.
Yeah, but that's
It shouldn't
I thought
be.
this was so cute.
No.
It was like schoolgirl meets. No?
It looks like. Wait, I'm confused though. Is it supposed to be a missing? Like, is that two pieces?
No, it's two. It's like your boobs go here, your stomach is peekaboo
But
here.
who's that short? Well, I was gonna say who's that short.
I am.
Oh no.
Oh my God, I
But
am
look.
offended.
No, but look, it looks so like truncated. No.
It's like mummy on the top, 10th grade on the bottom.
Catholic
Yeah.
school.
You guys
Zipper
gotta
in
see
the
that.
back.
I don't know
You
why.
said mommy on the top?
No, like
Mummy.
mummy. Like a
Oh,
mummy
I thought
wrap.
you said mommy. I'm like, what mommy?
No, off the
Okay,
shoulder.
fine. This
Yeah.
is a toss.
Yeah, that's a big. Yeah.
Toss
We
it.
all agree with that.
Bye, friends.
That's us.
Gone. We've got Valentino.
You've got Madeline.
Guys, this is the thing. I have a problem when things are expensive.
You think?
I
that
don't want to
means-
get rid of them because I'm like, it's so expensive. It must be chic.
No.
This is a
No,
Valentino
I
dress.
would say keep because it's so expensive that you don't know if the style's coming back next year. You know how that goes.
What about selling?
You could do
Yeah,
that.
but we don't have a thing that says selling.
That's
So just go like this. Go like this. Go like
Question mark. This is how.
Sign for selling.
This is sell. Sell
Make
it, baby.
that money,
sell
baby.
it. Make
Make
that
that
money on that.
And
Should I sell this to Real Real?
Yes.
This
Or
one?
just sell it.
Okay.
Sell
Party.
it.
Yes.
Final vote, Claudette?
Cool.
Everybody?
Everybody say sell.
Sell.
I've worn this dress here on All Things Adrienne, creating a blueprint for organization, and that's what we're gonna show you how we do today. I think I hate it. So that's why it's here. I just feel like this isn't my style anymore. I just think it looks really happy.
What is it? What's her face say? Florals for spring.
How
Groundbreaking.
I just don't feel you'll be frolicking in a field anytime soon. Or going to like a luau. This is like the hills are alive and they're begging you to stop wearing this dress.
I loved the fit of this dress.
Oh, Lord.
Guys, remember that my husband takes me to church on Sundays, and I really do need to have more clothes that are church appropriate now that the world is opening back up. This is not one of, Mariah's holding up a toss. Mom, thoughts? Toss?
I
Toss?
genuinely despise this dress.
That is
Why?
because it's just like two worlds collided and it didn't work.
Oof, no.
This was a really cute dress.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It was okay. It was very flattering to my figure. It
That's
cinched
something
the
different.
waist.
That's something
That's
different.
But that's not cute.
That's not.
No?
No, I wouldn't even wear that.
Guys, I have a lot of things like this in my closet that I think I initially thought was a basic, and then I basically never wore it. Why do I always have these pieces and I never wear them? Like, where am I going
So
in
if
this?
you're not gonna wear it,
You
then
love
maybe
it?
you could sell it. But yeah,
You like this?
I like it.
Claude
I
says
love it.
toss. Claude says
No,
question mark.
I'm actually question marking it. It's like
How am I
sexy,
wearing
but
this?
it's like without it's like a trench coat without the sleeves. But
And you know I don't like showing my arms.
You could do it in the
if
winter
you're
with a
not-
little turtleneck underneath, a knee-high boot up the thing. We get on the train, we have a hot apple cider moment.
But you see, that's like fall.
The tag is still on it.
Yeah, it's brand new.
This is cute.
okay, so maybe
And it costs $249.
I think you should keep that.
Are we switching to
We
keep?
agree.
we're gonna
Okay,
keep
they're saying keep it, folks. Keep it, it is.
it. I like it. It's cute.
That's really cute.
Okay, that's keep. We have something very similar again, which is this. I just felt like this felt very Pentecostal. Not that I don't love being Pentecostal, but there's a wardrobe that reminds me of some.
That does not remind me of that.
Yeah.
It reminds me of something, but not that.
You're gonna walk into church and you're not gonna feel comfortable.
this is
then
a church
don't.
outfit.
God
Then
wants
don't.
you to feel sexy too.
And he wants you to feel good when you're walking through.
You are right.
You can lift your
courts with
hands in
praise
the
in your
sanctuary.
hand.
Oh yeah, enter his gate.
Into his gates with praise and confidence and feeling good.
Not in that dress.
Ja.
So Claudette
Wait.
says toss. Mom says question mark. Mariah says keep. Guys,
I'm
I'm
sorry.
confused about this. We're all still confused.
Would that come like
Comment
a pair of
below.
boots like
Are we
that?
keeping this or is it going? And it
That looks like a pajama.
It is, right?
No, it's
I
not a
didn't know
pajama.
pajamas
That's
were
like very
included in it.
Blanche Devereaux.
But not. It feels very
It looks like it's
somebody vieja style.
and it
No,
looks
that's
like
sexy to me, but
for
Really?
a bedroom.
for a bedroom.
Oh,
it's
could
not
you
a
ever see
bedroom.
me
No,
wearing
Oh,
this?
this is an outdoor gown dress.
No, that's confusing.
No,
Oh,
that looks like a
That looks like a
pajama.
it's a robe.
This needs. Okay, if I wore this in the house, what are your thoughts?
in your bedroom.
I was thinking of going a little more sexy
I'm
in the
gonna
bedroom.
need to see.
No, you
some.
leave it open and you put whatever
Claudette,
on
you're
your
thinking you might want to wear this?
No, toss it.
To the camera, please hold up your signs. Final.
Toss it.
Adios, amiga.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Okay.
We're doing good.
Am I tossing dresses that mom had in my closet? This is
That
actually-
someone put in your closet. They were mine.
Yeah,
I remember
This looks good on you.
Mom
You looked
wore
amazing.
this for her 24th anniversary.
23rd.
Oh, 23rd year anniversary. And we celebrated quarantine style.
Oh, that's right.
But you had
Why
two
you had
different
two dresses?
versions.
That's because one was too small and then I had to go with the next one.
This one had a stretchy back, this one had a zip up. Do you want these dresses? Am I tossing them or are you keeping them, Mom? Toss
say-
this one, keep
yes,
this one.
yes.
Yeah.
Goodbye, friend.
Agree.
We're keeping her.
Yep.
Another item that I'm unsure who this belongs to. That's yours? Okay, more things that I've worn on all things Adrienne. But now I'm like, am I painting someone's house? Am I painting my own house?
It looks like a utility thing.
This is when I was really thin and I would wear my arms out because I was really thin and I felt amazing. This is actually from the video where I talked to you guys about how I lost weight. Thank you for realizing, thank you for recognizing, put some hard work into that, 20 pounds down. This was like the first time in forever that I felt so confident. And so I have good memories with this because I was at my goal weight and goal fitness. And so I wore my arms out in this, but at the same time, I'm like, is it time to move on or not?
It doesn't fit you at all.
No, it does fit me. My arms aren't where I want them to be right now.
I think it's so cute.
I like it.
Yeah, I feel like slick back bun, heading into the city, Grand
It's really
Central, a good
easy.
heel.
Yeah, it's easy.
What is this? You're dressing for the train?
Yes,
That's
guys.
where I picture all these outfits.
Oh my
We
gosh,
get very
guys,
excited
there's another
for our
world.
commute. I looked really good in this and it covered my arms, but I'm unsure of this puffy sleeve. This was a Zara.
I tell you, that's gonna come back, and y'all people are gonna be like,
But it's not gonna come back from Zara.
It's really cute, but
It's missing a button.
Oh, it is on the sleeve.
How can you spot that?
I see everything.
Yeah.
The puffy sleeve, to me, it just the ruching here should never, even if it comes back and every human being is wearing it, absolutely not. The puffy sleeve is out.
I don't like navy with gold because it reminds me of a sailor. So there's that.
yeah, they said all that, and when in the 70s, and then it came back.
You're gonna wait 30, 40 years?
I'm gonna hold on to my $24.99 Zara piece to wear when my daughter's 40. I'll be back in action. Claude says toss.
Toss it.
Listening to Claude.
Okay.
Toss.
Toss.
Okay, we're moving on to pantalones. Pantalones, mi gente. Speaking of navy blue,
Oh, this is killing me.
these are Diane von Furstenberg, and this is, yes, once upon a time, these did fit me. I was this little.
I have a confession. When I saw it, I had an aversion to it, I have to be honest. But then you said DBF, and then I saw like the classicness of it. So I'm
See?
I'm this.
And I'm saying this.
I love Diane.
Keep, mom says keep.
So
Mariah says keep.
yeah.
Trousers are always
Keeping
in
it.
fashion.
All right, guys, colored leather. I never wore these. These are from Topshop.
Are there
They
pockets?
A little
That's
tiny.
how I'll know.
They do not have pockets.
Guys.
And so they're leather
No.
cranberry leggings.
Never leggings
worn.
are not pants.
Nope.
Leggings are not pants.
No.
I repeat, leggings are not pants. I cannot say this enough in my life. There's no pockets, they're leggings, they're not pants. Bye.
Yeah.
They're not.
Bye, friend. Gone, gone, gone. Another pair of pants that have been in my closet for quite some time, and I've never worn them. I like the style and the concept. I'm not here for the sheen. It's the shiny champagne. Like, you say keep, but it's the shiny champagne.
Who said keep?
I said keep.
Oh no.
No, I think they would work in a context, but I get why you guys say no. Because I usually am not for the sheen, but I feel, I don't know.
Not in Grand Central. That there.
I did-
And that's not New York.
I like them.
That is
They're
not
cool.
New York.
They're different.
Pocket.
I like
That's
them.
not New York.
Do you want them?
I was just gonna say you have to have
Thank you. I will style these and I'll show you.
I will
why
show
said
you.
keep. I will show you.
This is. I just
toss.
feel like I don't wear this style
Guys,
of pants.
toss.
Absolutely not.
Anything with a
Absolutely
pocket in the mid thigh, no.
Anything with a
disgusting.
jogger at the bottom.
I just feel like I have so many of these white button-down shirts. Zara had it forever.
But you
toss.
Toss.
It's a toss, people.
Toss.
Okay.
Toss.
Fashion Nova. I wore this to the polo.
You did a photo shoot.
Oh, I did. We're
With
over
Jet.
it. We photographed it enough.
Yeah, you're not in a vineyard in Italy. Go.
Goodbye.
Sorry.
Well, I sure did do a photo shoot with Jet in that too.
Yep.
Okay, I really think you guys
feel like
really
they
want to
embrace
see me
Oh
in this
gosh.
amazing
That
little
I would
frolic.
say.
No.
This is a little frolic.
You're not 16.
Yeah, no.
Sorry.
Won't be offended by that
No.
comment. I have so many of these kinds of dresses, and I don't. Oh, gee.
No.
Absolutely.
Tell me how you
What
guys
are you
really
doing
feel
with
about all
this
the
stuff?
outfits I buy.
What?
Sorry.
More of the same? No.
You see, that's a good church dress. For the
But this
summer.
belt.
We need a
For the
card
summer,
that
you
says
could change
church.
that belt
This
to
belt is
something.
horrific. It
It
looks
is
cheap.
so bad.
I'm just
Let
saying.
somebody else with it. It's not for you.
Hallelujah. I received that word.
All right.
I don't know where this came. This is
That
so
looks like
interesting.
a snow angel. I don't know. Toss.
like-
Yeah, that looks like me, right? That's why you're looking at me.
No.
She's looking at me. She goes,
Mom,
I
is
don't
this
know where this
yours?
came
That
from.
might be, and no.
Mom, is this
It
yours?
was not mine, but I could wear that.
No.
No.
Mommy.
That's a toss.
Yeah.
Guys, next thing we're gonna rapidly go through
I like that shirt.
is my white button downs. I literally own like 20 of them. And so
love
of the
that.
20 that are upstairs, I chose a few that are questionable. Remember, we should only keep the ones that I actually am really going to wear.
That's beautiful.
So
That's
here we have
amazing.
a long, oversized
I love
white.
that.
You can donate it here.
No,
Yeah, we'll
taking my
take
clothes.
donations,
That's a key.
gifts.
This is a.
Here we go. These are just the ones that I was wondering.
I
This
like
one
that.
is an ASOS bodysuit
Oh,
one.
it reminds me of when I was a waitress in Cabana.
Mariah.
What?
Hand back my
How
shirt.
did that
Yes.
get? Oh my God. That shirt moved.
Okay, this
it's
is the
same.
same thing twice. Do I need them? This one needs to go to the cleaners.
No.
We don't need it twice?
No, one.
Is it 2 different sizes? You sure I don't need 2 of these?
No, guys.
This is a UK 6.
This is a UK 6. Fine, I'll toss this.
Why do you have 2 of it?
Because sometimes you need doubles of things.
No, you don't.
This is a linen-y Banana
that.
Republic
I like
version.
that.
I like that.
Yeah.
We're keeping?
Keep.
Show the camera.
Keep.
Keeping.
That looks dingy. That needs
This
to
is
be
a
tossed.
G-Star, guys. During Fashion Week here in New York, Pharrell actually designed an entire collection for G-Star, and they personally dressed me for the show, and this was the shirt that I wore. We will include a photo here because I loved this outfit, loved this hair, loved this look. It's nostalgic. No, nobody feels the nostalgia.
I think it's dingy and needs to go.
I'm so sorry for all.
White is something
I think
that.
it's nice, but memories are in your head, not in your closet.
Ooh,
Sorry, toss.
that was a word.
Pastor Claudette has a word for the congregation.
Okay.
Okay, what is this?
No, that's
I
not
got
the
this. This
And then-
one is.
It needs to be
This
tossed.
I think was from like
Is that like a-
Amazon.
Why does it have 3
No.
pockets? This is for your pens. This is for your post-it notes. And this
Your phone.
is for your
The
calculator.
notebook.
The person wearing this has a calculator for sure.
Who? What are we deciding? Claude, toss.
I don't like anything that's super.
Last
ugly
one,
either.
guys.
That's a cover up.
That's
This
for
is
the
a cover up.
I
This
like
is
that.
tan lines. We're keeping that.
Look
This,
at that.
We've never decided. I'm gonna keep it.
Oh,
I feel
yeah,
like
I
of
love
all the things, I can absolutely afford to keep this in my closet. We'll see what happens with it. We're gonna hold on to it. But guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching me do a closet clean out. I'm halfway there. I still have so much more to go through. But comment below and let me know, how do you decide if you're gonna keep something, toss something, or if you're unsure? And if you're unsure, comment below and maybe we can help you out. Love you guys. We'll see you next week. Thank you guys. Thank you, Mariah. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Claude. Mwah! Don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All things Adrienne.
Well done. Well done. Well done.